one. Let's finish off the last Franks. I freaking love those things. All right, guys. All right. Day 5. There's no other way to do that. I've only got 5 fingers. Unless I was a bad machinist. I just hit my elbow. That hurt. Oh. Oh. All right. Gonna take a little bit of a break from the pit. Kind of getting bored with that. Me and the Chitlins watching Tangled. I think that's it. It's Rapunzel, you know. The lady girl in the tower. Lady girl, however you want to look at it. That's basically what I'm going to do today. I'm going to make a quick Rapunzel tower thing. I don't know. This is completely from scratch. I'm going to try and do it in under 15 minutes, and we're just at a minute right now. So let's crack this open. Take our first sip. Oh man, that's so good. Let's fire this off. First off, we're gonna start off with a cylinder. I want to work with a few things. So sides, we're gonna do 36. Let's see how that looks. All right. I want to work a little bit with this spiral staircase or curved staircase. I'm not really sure what the difference is, but we are going to go Z of 1500, you know. Let's pivot, set pivot offset here. Boblamo. You see how that just drops down? We got that right there. All right, we got that. And then we're going to do outer radius 100. And then we're going to do spiral staircase on this thing. So, inner radius 100, yep. Step width 200, step height 20, step thickness number of steps per what? And the whole spiral rotation. Let's go ahead and all right. So, oh my goodness. That actually almost turned out perfect right off the bat, you guys. Oof. This is going to be a quick video if things go like this. Oh my gosh. We're going to do 73. Oh no. So, okay, all right, so I have that staircase almost perfect off the bat. Let's do some playing around. All right, we're gonna play from here. Yeah, and then we're gonna walk up these stairs. Yeah. Oh, don't walk into the wall. I haven't drank that much yet. 360 Ooga Booga. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna tweak these just a hair. Let's turn the inner radius into 90. Let's make sure that's right in there. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna do it. I don't want to do it, but I'm going to. So, actually, I do want to do it. That's why I'm doing it. All right, we got this going. You know what I forgot, you guys? I apologize. Let's get a little bit of tunage going. I'm sorry if this is loud. I didn't pre-check it. In a bit of a hurry at the time of this video. I like that. We got the spiral staircase, which is hidden in all of the videos. They don't talk about it. Do they talk about it? Let's turn that down. We got that a little lower. I'm sorry if you can't hear it, but we'll have to fix that in post. All right, let's create. I need to look at these. So step width of 200, so that's 290. So we're gonna do a little save current. We're gonna new map this. We're gonna go Rapunzel. I think that's how you spell Rapunzel. Oh man, I'm already slurring and I haven't even drank that much. Oh, sorry if you hear me sniffling or if I go into a sneeze fit. I might edit it out if I do. But my allergies are nuts today. Like stupid nuts. All right, we got that. So we're going to go file, new level, default. Blam. Sides, 36. Outer radius. Let's see, I want 290 with 10, so we'll go 315. All right. And then I need to make you, oh, I don't know how tall I need to make it. We're going to save that. This is going to be wall. Cone wall. That's what we're going to save it as. So file, open level. Rapunzel. 290. How tall are you? 1500. All right. We're going to bring this up. We're just double click into cone wall. So U Z 1500. You know what? I'm gonna up your sides a bit. This doesn't really matter a whole lot. Actually, it does, doesn't it? Oh no. I hope I don't have to individually select everything. And we're going to keep you at 24 then. I'm hitting buttons. 2, 4, enter. No, I'm just going to move you to 16. And we're going to put a box right there. Going to do the Z at 350. And X of Y. Got that. We're going to do subtractive. And then we're going to hold shift as we take her in. Got that. Oh, I need to make you hollow, don't I? Okay, got that. We need to find box brush. Just tweak it a little bit. I don't like that. Okay, got that. Oh, I need to bring you up, don't I? Okay, we got that. And then we're going to do cylinder. All right. Sides 12. I'm going to rotate it like this. And we're going to do a little bit of a subtractive box there. What did I do for this box? So, oh, it's 200. Oh, radius. I'm being dumb. Radius is half. Diameter is twice. So we're going to do that. And bring you in like this. There we go. You know what? Let's adjust sides to 8. Oh, there we go. $330. We're gonna thicken them up a bit. And then we got Z of all right. So we are going to do something we learned from the last video. But yeah, we're gonna select that, 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 and that, that, and that, that, and that, that, and that. Okay, we got that. We're gonna line those. We're gonna do that. We're gonna see how this works. So, outer wall. We're gonna throw this in geometry meshes. Okay, we got that. We're gonna bring you in just to see how you look. All right, looks like I got all of it. Okay. So we'll go content. Rapunzel, save selected. All right, guys, we're back at it. Make this real quick here. We save this. Outer wall. What the Dickens? The Charles Dickens. Okay, so let's shift this over. guys in the next one. Later.